A particle moves in a circle in such a way that the x and y coordinates of its motion, given in meters as functions of time t in seconds, are x equal to 5 cosine of 3t and y equal to 5 sine of 3t. Which of the following is true of the speed of the particle? You should pause now and try to get the answer on your own. Now, we must consider that any object that moves along a circular path has coordinates x and y that are given as an ordered pair, like so. Now, if x and y are time-dependent as the object is in motion, then its velocity has components that are given by the time derivatives dx dt, dy dt. Therefore, the x velocity should be equal to negative 5 times 3 sine of 3t, or negative 15 sine of 3t. The y then is 5 times 3 cosine of 3t, which is 15 cosine of 3t. And this is due to the chain rule. Then the speed, which is the magnitude of the velocity, according to the Pythagorean theorem, should be vx squared plus vy squared, square root of that, and that's of course going to be square root of 225 times sine squared of 3t plus cosine squared of 3t. And that parenthesis, of course, is equal to 1. So your speed should be 15 meters per second, and that is option B. Thank you for watching. See you next time.